Do you wake up early?
Do I wake up early?
You can answer, yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
You can also give more information. Yes, I wake up at 7.
Yes, I wake up at 7.
Do you wake up early?
Yes, I wake up at 7.
Good. Now listen to another answer. No, I don't. I usually wake up late.
No, I don't. I usually wake up late.
What time do you wake up?
What time do I wake up?
Use this pattern. I wake up at...
I wake up at 6:30.
Excellent. You can say, I wake up at 6:30 or I get up at 6:30.
I get up at 6:30.
What time do you get up?
I get up at 7 o'clock.
Are you tired in the morning?
Yes, I am still tired.
Say, I am still sleepy.
I am still sleepy.
Good. If you want more time in bed, say, I need 5 more minutes.
I need 5 more minutes.
If the alarm rings again, say, it is time to get up.
It is time to get up.
Do you wake up early on weekdays?
Yes, I usually wake up early on weekdays.
Do you wake up early on weekends?
No, I usually sleep late on weekends.
Very good. On weekdays means from Monday to Friday. On weekends means Saturday and Sunday.
On weekdays, on weekends.
Now it is your turn. Answer out loud. What time do you wake up? A good answer is, I wake up at 7 o'clock.
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
One more question. Do you wake up early? You can say, yes, I do. I wake up early.
Yes, I do. I wake up early.
Excellent. Now you can talk about the beginning of your day.
I wake up and I start my day.
After waking up, what do you do next? What do you do after you wake up?
What do I do after I wake up?
Say, I go to the bathroom.
I go to the bathroom.
Do you wash your face in the morning?
Yes, I wash my face every morning.
Good. You can also answer, yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Do you brush your teeth?
Yes, I brush my teeth.
How often do you brush your teeth?
How often?
Use this answer. I brush my teeth twice a day.
I brush my teeth twice a day.
Excellent. Twice a day means 2 times every day.
Twice a day means 2 times every day.
What do you use to brush your teeth?
I use a toothbrush and toothpaste.
Very good. Now say it slowly.
I use a toothbrush and toothpaste.
Do you wash your hands in the morning?
Yes, I wash my hands.
Say, I wash my hands with soap and water.
I wash my hands with soap and water.
Do you take a shower in the morning?
Yes, I take a shower in the morning.
You can also say, I have a quick shower.
I have a quick shower.
Is the water hot or cold?
The water is warm.
Good. If the water is not warm, say, the water is too cold.
The water is too cold.
What do you need after a shower?
I need a clean towel.
Excellent. After washing your face and brushing your teeth, how do you feel?
I feel fresh and ready.
Say the complete sentence. I feel fresh and ready for the day.
I feel fresh and ready for the day.
Now answer, do you brush your teeth every morning? A good answer is, yes, I brush my teeth every morning.
Yes, I brush my teeth every morning.
One more question. What do you use to brush your teeth? The answer is, I use a toothbrush and toothpaste.
I use a toothbrush and toothpaste.
Very good. Now you are clean and ready to get dressed.
I am ready to get dressed.
What are you going to wear today?
What am I going to wear today?
Use this pattern. I'm going to wear...
I'm going to wear a blue shirt.
Excellent. You can also say, I will wear a blue shirt.
I will wear a blue shirt.
What color is your shirt?
My shirt is blue.
What color are your shoes?
My shoes are black.
Good. Remember, my shirt is blue, but my shoes are black.
My shirt is blue. My shoes are black.
Where are your shoes?
Where are my shoes?
Say, my shoes are under the chair.
My shoes are under the chair.
Where is your jacket?
My jacket is next to the door.
Do you need a jacket today?
Yes, I need a jacket. It is cold outside.
Good. What do you wear when it is hot?
I wear a t-shirt and shorts.
What do you wear when it is cold?
I wear a sweater and a jacket.
Is your shirt comfortable?
Yes, it is very comfortable.
Is your shirt clean?
Yes, it is clean.
If the clothes are not clean, say, I need to change my clothes.
I need to change my clothes.
Are you ready to leave?
Almost. I'm getting dressed now.
Say, I'm ready to go.
I'm ready to go.
Now answer, what are you going to wear today? A good answer is, I'm going to wear a white shirt and black shoes.
I'm going to wear a white shirt and black shoes.
Now answer, where are your shoes? You can say, my shoes are near the door.
My shoes are near the door.
Excellent, you're dressed. What do you do next?
I have breakfast.
That's right. Let's talk about breakfast. What do you usually eat for breakfast?
What do I usually eat for breakfast?
Say, I usually eat eggs and toast.
I usually eat eggs and toast.
Good. You can change the food. I usually eat fruit.
I usually eat fruit.
What do you drink in the morning?
I drink tea.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I drink coffee every morning.
Or you can say, no, I prefer tea.
No, I prefer tea.
What would you like to drink?
I would like a cup of tea, please.
Excellent. I would like is a polite way to say what you want.
I would like a cup of tea, please.
What would you like to eat?
I would like some eggs and toast.
Do you eat a big breakfast?
No, I usually eat a small breakfast.
Are you hungry this morning?
Yes, I am very hungry.
If you are not hungry, say, I am not very hungry.
I am not very hungry.
What is your favorite breakfast?
My favorite breakfast is eggs and bread.
How does the food taste?
It tastes good.
You can also say, it is delicious.
It is delicious.
Do you eat breakfast at home?
Yes, I eat breakfast at home.
How much time do you have for breakfast?
I have about 15 minutes.
Then say, I need to eat quickly.
I need to eat quickly.
For the viewer, answer out loud. What do you usually eat for breakfast? A good answer is, I usually eat eggs and toast.
I usually eat eggs and toast.
Now answer, what do you drink in the morning? You can say, I drink tea in the morning.
I drink tea in the morning.
Very good. Breakfast is finished. Now it is time to leave home.
I am ready to leave home.
Are you ready to leave home?
Yes, I am ready to leave.
What do you need before you leave?
I need my phone, my keys, and my wallet.
Good. Say, I have everything I need.
I have everything I need.
Where are your keys?
Where are my keys?
Your keys are on the table.
My keys are on the table.
Do not forget your phone.
I have my phone with me.
What time do you leave home?
I leave home at 8 o'clock.
Where are you going?
I am going to work.
Are you going to school?
Yes, I am going to school.
How do you go to work?
I take the bus.
How do you go to school?
I walk to school.
Good. You can also say, I go to school by bus.
I go to school by bus.
How long does it take?
It takes about 20 minutes.
Is the bus stop near your home?
Yes, it is near my home.
Is the bus crowded today?
Yes, it is very crowded today.
What do you do on the way?
I listen to English lessons.
Excellent. That is a good way to practice English.
I listen and repeat on the way.
For the viewer, answer, what time do you leave home? A good answer is, I leave home at 8 o'clock.
I leave home at 8 o'clock.
Now answer, how do you go to work or school? You can say, I take the bus.
I take the bus.
Excellent. You left home and now you are going to work or school. What do you do?
I work in an office.
You can also say, I am a student.
I am a student.
What are you doing now?
I am working.
What are you working on?
I am writing an email.
Good. Say it slowly. I am writing an email.
I am writing an email.
Are you busy today?
Yes, I am very busy today.
Are you free now?
No, I am not free right now.
If you need help, say, can you help me, please?
Can you help me, please?
If you do not understand, say, I do not understand.
I do not understand.
You can also say, please say that again.
Please say that again.
Very good. These are useful sentences in a classroom or office.
These sentences are useful at work and at school.
What time do you start work?
I start work at 9.
What time do you finish school?
I finish school at 3.
Do you have a meeting today?
Yes, I have a meeting at 10.
Do you have homework today?
Yes, I have some English homework.
What do you do during a break?
I drink water and relax.
That is good. Short breaks help you focus.
Short breaks help me focus.
For the viewer, answer, what are you doing now? A good answer is, I am writing an email.
I am writing an email.
Now answer, what do you say when you do not understand? Say, please say that again.
Please say that again.
Excellent. It is almost lunchtime. Are you hungry?
Yes, I am very hungry.
What would you like to eat?
I would like a chicken sandwich.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, I would like some water, please.
Good. You can also say, water, please.
Water, please.
Do you eat lunch at work?
Yes, I eat lunch at work.
Do you bring lunch from home?
Sometimes I bring lunch from home.
What do you usually eat for lunch?
I usually eat rice and vegetables.
Do you like this food?
Yes, I like it very much.
How does it taste?
It tastes great.
If you do not like it, say, it is not my favorite.
It is not my favorite.
How long is your lunch break?
My lunch break is 30 minutes.
Do you eat quickly?
Yes, I eat quickly because I have work to do.
Or you can say, I like to take my time.
I like to take my time.
That means you do not want to hurry.
I do not want to hurry.
Are you ready to go back to work?
Yes, I am ready to go back to work.
Answer, what would you like to eat?
Pause the viewer.
A good answer is, I would like a chicken sandwich.
I would like a chicken sandwich.
Now answer, how long is your lunch break?
Pause the viewer.
You can say, my lunch break is 30 minutes.
My lunch break is 30 minutes.
Very good. The workday is almost finished. What do you do after work?
I usually go home.
Do you go shopping after work?
Sometimes I go shopping after work.
What do you need to buy?
I need to buy some milk and bread.
Where can you find the vegetables?
Where can I find the vegetables?
Ask, where can I find the vegetables?
Where can I find the vegetables?
They are in aisle 3.
They are in aisle 3.
How much is this?
It is $5.
Do you need anything else?
Yes, I need some apples.
Can you pay by card?
Yes, I can pay by card.
Good. Now you are going home. What do you do in the evening?
I usually relax at home.
Do you watch television?
Sometimes I watch a short program.
Do you read books?
Yes, I read a book in the evening.
Do you exercise after work?
Sometimes I go for a walk.
How do you feel after a long day?
I feel tired, but I feel good.
Say, I need to relax.
I need to relax.
Do you talk to your family in the evening?
Yes, I talk to my family.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10:30.
Do you prepare your clothes for tomorrow?
Yes, I prepare my clothes for tomorrow.
Excellent. That makes the morning easier.
Preparing at night makes the morning easier.
Pause for the viewer. Answer, what do you do after work?
Pause the viewer.
A good answer is, I usually go home.
I usually go home.
Now answer, what do you do in the evening?
Pause the viewer.
You can say, I usually relax at home.
I usually relax at home.
One last question. What time do you go to bed?
Pause the viewer.
Say, I go to bed at 10:30.
I go to bed at 10:30.
Excellent! You can now describe your day from morning to night. Let's review the most useful daily routine sentences. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
What do you do after you wake up?
I go to the bathroom and wash my face.
How often do you brush your teeth?
I brush my teeth twice a day.
What are you going to wear today?
I am going to wear a blue shirt.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat eggs and toast.
What do you drink in the morning?
I drink tea in the morning.
What time do you leave home?
I leave home at 8 o'clock.
How do you go to work or school?
I take the bus.
What are you doing now?
I am studying English.
What do you say when you do not understand?
Please say that again.
What would you like to eat for lunch?
I would like a chicken sandwich.
What do you do after work?
I usually go home.
What do you do in the evening?
I usually relax at home.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10:30.
Pause for the viewer. Now it is your turn. Answer this question. What time do you wake up?
Pause the viewer.
I wake up at 7 o'clock. What do you usually eat for breakfast?
Pause the viewer.
I usually eat eggs and toast. How do you go to work or school?
Pause the viewer.
I take the bus. What do you do in the evening?
Pause the viewer.
I usually relax at home. Excellent. You now practiced English from morning to night.
I can talk about my daily routine in English.
Say it one more time.
I can talk about my daily routine in English.
Keep practicing. Listen again, repeat the sentences, and answer the questions out loud.
I will practice English every day.
Very good. See you in the next English lesson.